Welcome home to the Meadows, a highly sought-after condo community of 84 units located in a quiet neighborhood with lush views in South Wayland, Massachusetts. The Meadows is located close to conservation land and the Mass Turnpike for easy commutes. This meticulously maintained townhouse provides an open floor plan perfect for entertaining or for family enjoyment. A fully equipped large kitchen has a gas stove, an abundance of cabinets, lots of counter space, and a large, sun-filled dinette for casual dining. An entry from the garage is nearby. A wall of windows, anchored by a gas fireplace and a sliding glass door, opens onto a spacious private deck overlooking beautiful year-round views of conservation land from both the living room and the dining area. Multiple skylights in the cathedral ceiling provide natural light. The unique floor plan provides an option for a first-floor master suite or a significantly larger master suite on the upper level, both with spa-type bathrooms and spacious closets. A beautiful staircase leads to the loft area overlooking the living room with an adjacent spacious multi-purpose family room. The unfinished lower level is enormous and can be subdivided and finished. Affluent bedroom community of Boston, Wayland, Massachusetts rests midway between Worcester and Boston. Quiet and picturesque, this small town attracts a variety of families that work in the surrounding communities as well as Boston. The Sudbury River runs through the western half of the town, and there have been large preservation efforts to maintain the surrounding forests, marshlands, and fields. The town has been vigilant in protecting the neighborhoods, open spaces, and preserving its historical past. A national wildlife preserve and a lake are located in Wayland, which features a public beach. Although Wayland boasts a number of small shopping venues offering just about everything you could ever need, and despite its close proximity to the city of Boston and its ease of access to shopping, attractions, and nightlife, Wayland is known for its quiet, peaceful, community-like setting. Due to these characteristics, Wayland is home to many urban professionals.